Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss Cramer's rule. So what the Cramer rule says, we have to find the determinants. We'll show one by I will show you from the beginning. Suppose this is there. So first you have to find the delta determinant. If determinant is not equal to 0, then only we can apply a Cramer's rule or Gauss-Jordan method or any other method. So now we are discussing Cramer rule. For the Cramer rule to find del 1 is to find x1 value. Del 2 we will find to find y value. Del 3 we find to find z value. So del 1, del 2, del 3 we will find. Then after that to find x we have to write this one. This is the method. So first we will go for the del. First we will find the matrix of coefficient. The matrix of coefficient is 3, 2, 5, 4 minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, 5, 8, 7. This is called matrix of coefficient. Next, x. This is called XYZ, matrix of variables. And another we call matrix B, it is called matrix of constant. 8, 3, 13B. Now first step, we'll find the determinant A. Determinant A we will go expanding by R1. First row. This is our first row. First row. So this one, so first row if we expand, this row and this column is left. Minus 1 times 7 is minus 7. This formula minus 8 times 2 is 16. So it becomes plus 16. Formula minus and this minus 16. Second quadrant you have to take minus 4. Then 2 times 7 is 14 minus 5 times 8 it is 40. Plus 5 times this row, this column and this row is left. So 2 times 2 minus 4. 5 times 1 is minus 5. Formula minus. So it becomes plus. So 3 minus 7 plus 9 is 9. 16 is 9. 4 minus 26. 5 minus 4 plus 1 is 1. So 3 nines are 27. Minus time minus plus. So 4 6 are 24. Carry 2. It is 110 plus 5. If you add them all, it is 136. This is mod A, we will call as del. This is our del. So del is 136. Del is 136. Now we have to find for, so del is 136 means it is not equal to 0. It's not equal to 0 means the value of x, y, z exists. That means the given equation are consistent. It is called consistent. That is value exists x, y, z. Now we have to find del 1. What is del 1? In del 1, replace x coordinate by b. So 18, 13, 20. And y as it is 4, minus 1, minus 2. 5, 8, 7. So expanding by R1, so 8 into this column and this row get it. So what is left? Minus 1 into 7 is minus 7. Formula minus, this is 8 please. 8 times 2 is 16. 16. This minus 16, this minus become plus 16. Minus 4 of this column and this row. 13 times 7. 13 sevens are 91. 8 times 20. 8 ones are 8. 8 to the 16. Plus 5 time if you take away this 5, this 13 to the 26 with minus sign. Minus 26. You see this column and this is got 20 time minus 20. Formula minus. So minus time minus is plus. So 18 times 9 minus 4 times 91 if we take it is 69 plus 5 times minus 6. So this is 18 nines are 162 plus minus 10 minus plus 276 minus 30, which is equal to 438 minus 30 equal to 408. 408. This is our del 1. Del 1 is 408. Del 1 is 408. Now we have to find del 2. We have to find del 2. What is del 2? X as it is 3, 2, 5. In the place of y, you have to write the matrix of constant 88, 13, 20. And z as it is 5, 8, 7. Now similarly expanding by R1, 3, this row, this 13 times 7 is 91 minus 20 times 8. 8 1 8 plus 160 minus formula minus 18 this got 2 times 7 is 14 and 5 times 8 is 40 minus 40 plus 5 times column getting 2 times 20 is 40 minus 13 times 5 is 65 plus is there as it is we are writing. So 3 times minus 69 minus 18 minus 26 5 minus 25. This is minus 207. This is minus time minus plus 18 time 26 468. 5 time 125 minus 125. So now these together minus 332 plus 468 equal to 136. So del 2 equal to 136. Del 2 equal to 136. Now we have to find del 3. Del 3. Then we have to find del 3. So for finding del 3, x as it is, x is 3 to 5. Y as it is 4 minus 1 minus 2. In the place of z column, the third z column, you have to replace by matrix of constants. That is matrix B you are writing. Expanding by again, expanding by R1. This row gone, this column gone. So minus time 20 is minus 20 minus 13 to the 26 minus 10 minus is plus 26 minus 4 going this and this row and this column. So 2 times 20 is 40 minus 13 times 5 is 65. Going on 2 times 2 is minus 4 minus 4 1 time 5 is minus 5. All formula minus it is plus. So 3 times minus 20 plus this is 6 minus 4 40 minus 20 is minus 25 plus 18 times 1 is 18. So this is 6 3 is 18 minus 100 plus 18. So 18 plus 18 it is 136. del 3. So del 3 is 136. Now what to do? We have to find x. What is x? Del 1 by del. What is x? Del 1 by del. What is y? Del 2 by del. What is z? Del 3 by del. This is 136. This is also 136. And del 1 we got as 408. What is our del? Del also 136. See here. Del is 136. So divide by 136. 136. So z 136 by 136 1. 136 by 136 is 1. X equal to 136. How many times it goes? 1 times, 2 times, 3 times. It goes 3 times. So that is our answer. We got it. What is our x? What is our y? What is our z? X is 3, y is 1, z is 1. I have doubt, did we do right or wrong? Verify it. Do verification or check it. Are we doing right? So one equation, take 3x plus 4y plus 5z equal to 18 is given. Is equal to naught. So take x equal to 3 we got, y equal to 1, z equal to 1. 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 1 is 4, 5. Is it equal to 18? We don't know. 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 equal to 18. Hence verify. That means we did right. X equal to 3, y equal to 1, z equal to 1. Just finding the determinant. One more problem we'll do. It is clear for us. For the concept clear. One more problem. We'll go with one more problem. Problem number 2. X plus y plus z equal to 6. X minus y plus z equal to 2. 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 9. So first write matrix of coefficient 1, 1, 2, x, y is 1, minus 1, minus 1, z is 1, 1, 3. And matrix of constant 6, 2, 9. And x is matrix of variable x, y, z. Now we have to find del. What is del? Determinant A. Expanding by R1. You see some teachers, to make the concept clear, they write like this. R1. This is the first row, expanding by R1. They write like this. First row, first column, if you leave, what is left? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 3. Excuse me. Second, if you leave, second row, first row, second column, if you leave, it is 1, 2, 1, 3. For the one, this one, if you leave this, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1. And please make a note. First positive, negative, positive, negative. It goes like this. Now, AD minus BC formula. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3, formula minus 1, minus 1 time minus plus 1 is minus 1. Already minus is minus time minus plus. 1 times 3 is 3, 3 minus 2, 1 times 2 is 2, 1, 1 time minus 1 is minus 1, formula minus, 2 time minus 1 is plus, plus 2. So this is minus 3 plus minus 2, minus 3 minus 1 is 1, 1, 1. So minus 2 minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 getting cancelled. Del equal to minus 2. Del equal to minus 2 not equal to 0. Therefore, the given problems are consistent. We can find the solution. So del equal to minus 2. We got it. Now we have to find del 1, del 2, del 3. What we are doing in del 1? Just 1, 1, 2 you are replacing by 6, 2, 9. For del 2, for 1 minus 1 you are replacing by 6, 2, 9. For del 3, 6, 2, 9 here. So del 1, 6 to 9, del 2, 6 to 9, del 3, 6 to 9. All are same. Now first let me go with the del 1. X you have to replace. Replace by 6 to 9. Y will be same. 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 3. So expanding by R1. 6 as it is a column, this row. So 1 time minus 3 is minus 3, minus time minus is plus 1. Minus 1, if you take away 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6, 1 time 9 is 9. 1 time 9 is 9. One time 9 is 9. So now this column and this row, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, minus 2, minus 1 is minus 2, formula minus, 1 time minus 9 is minus 9, this formula minus, so it become plus. So 6 time minus 2, minus 1 time minus 3, 1 time 7. So minus 12 plus 3 plus 7. So 10 minus 12 plus 10 is minus 2. So del 1 equal to minus 2. Del 1 equal to minus 2. Now we'll go for del 2. What is our del 2? X as it is. X is 1, 1, 2. What is 1 minus 1 minus 1? You have to replace by 6 to 9 for del 2. 1, 1, 3 as it is. Again expanding by R1. 1, leaving this and this. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 9 minus 6. Leaving this column and these rows. So 1 times 3 is 3. 3 minus 2 plus 1. Leaving this and this, so 1 times 9 is 9 minus 2 times 2 is 4. So this is 6 minus 9 is minus 3, minus 3, 3 minus 1 is 1, 9 minus 4 is 5. So minus 3 minus 6 plus 5. So minus 9 or minus 4. Minus 9 plus 5 is minus 4. So del 2 equal to minus 4. Del 2 equal to minus 4. Now we have to go for del 3. We have to go for del 3. Del 3. What is del 3? X1 as it is 1, 1, 2. Y1 as it, Y column as it is. In the place of Z, you have to write 2, 6, 9. Expanding. Same expanding by R1. 1. This row, this column is left. So 1 time 9 is minus 1 time 9 is 9. Minus formula minus 2. 2 times 1 is 2 minus time minus plus. Minus this formula minus this 1 time 9 is 9 minus 2 times 2 is 4 plus 6 into this is 6. So now this will go on. 1 time minus 1 is minus 1, formula minus. 1 times 2 is minus 2, formula minus. Minus time minus is plus. So minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. 9 minus 4 is 5, minus 5. Minus 1 plus 1 is plus 1 plus 6. So this is equal to minus 5 plus 6 is plus 1. This is minus 6. Or 12, minus 12 plus 6 is minus. So del 3 is minus 6. Del 3 is minus 6. We got all values. Now just substituting. What is our x, what is our y, what is our z? So x is del 1 by a. Del y is y is del 2 by del z is del 3 by del. What is del 1? Del 1 we got minus 2 and del is also minus 2. Del 2 we got, what is del 2 we got? What is del 2? Del 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 by minus 2. And del 3 is minus 6 by minus 2. Both the side minus, 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 they get cancelled. 2 by 2 is 1, so x is 1. So y equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are, so y equal to 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are, z equal to 3. We got x, y, z. Are we doing right? No, we don't know. Are we doing right or not? We don't know. So we have to verify or check. What we have to do, take one equation. First equation, x plus y plus z equal to 6. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 3, 6. That means we did right. Verification. So this is Cramer's rules. Very easy. How to solve? One more time I will say. First you have to find the determinant. If the determinant is 0, for example, if it is 0, you have to find it. The given problem is inconsistent. We can't find the solution. You will get full points in the exam. Suppose if it's not equal to 0, you have to find del 1. What is del 1? In the column of x, you have to write the B. You have to write B. That means matrix of constant. In the place of, for del 2, in the place of y column, you have to replace by the B matrix B. Similarly, for del 3, you have to replace the third column by matrix of constant. That means for del 1, first column, matrix of constant. For del 2, second column, matrix of constant. For del 3, third column, matrix of constants. That's it. Expand the determinant, you will find the value. Then finally, what is x? Del 1 by x. What is y? Del 2 by del. What is z? Del 3 by del. Simplify, we will get the answer. If you are confident, leave it. If you are not confident, verify it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. I have hundreds of videos for different topics. Thanks for watching once again.